Hello friends, welcome to Skill Upgrade Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can install and set up Python on a Windows operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, let's check if we already have a Python version installed on Windows operating system or not. So for that, you can simply open command prompt by typing cmd. So here we will type cmd. Okay, and then just type python. So if we have installed Python, it will display that what is the version that is installed. Otherwise, it will open a this kind of pop-up, that is Microsoft Store one. That means we have not installed Python version. So we are going to install Python from its official website. So let's close the command prompt, this one as this as well, and we'll go to the uh, Python official website. We'll try here Python download. So once you click that, it will take you to this Python official website. Here on click of download, you can see that the latest version of the Python is 3.14. Okay, this is the one which is latest one. Now we can click on that and this will start downloading Python. So once download is done, you can just click on that exe file and this will open that pop-up which is going to start the installation wizard. Now you can see that installation wizard for Python. Now this window is very important. Why? Because you can see that okay, the first one is going to add the admin privilege for your Python executable files, and the other one is going to add the Python path to your environment variable. That means you can open or execute Python command from anywhere from your command prompt. Now here you can see that the location where the Python is going to install, that is like C user, this one I have data. So if you want to change this location in your different folder, then we can go with customize installation. Now click on this customize installation. Keep these all these checkbox checked only. Now click on next only. Now here we need to make sure these checkboxes are all checked only. And now here you can see that customize installation location. So here if you want, you can change the location to your different location wherever you want to install your Python. Okay, so let it be here only. See program file Python 3.1. Now everything is ready. Now we can click on install button and this will start the installation of Python. Oh, perfect. Now our Python is installed successfully. You can see here. So now we will verify our Python is installed successfully. Now click here, search for Python. You will see that this one. This is a command prompt which will open with Python version. So here you can see that we have installed 3.14 Python, that is installed. To verify, we can just print hello world. And now you can see that it is printing hello world using this print command. That means our installation for the Python is successfully done. We can also perform, let's say, some calculation part 5 plus 10, and yes, perfectly it is working fine. So it is displaying 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. So this is like a command prompt for the Python. Now let's check with idle also interface as well. You can see this one. If you click here, it will open similar kind of console Here also we can use, like, we can verify that our Python is working fine. You can see that if I do just mathematical operation, we are able to see the result. We are able to see the result. So anyone we can use to write our Python code just for basic or maybe for testing purpose. We can also verify our Python version through command prompt as well. So here just type cmd and open this. Okay, now here we will type Python space hyphen version. So here you can see that Python 3.14.0. If your system variable is configured properly, then your Python version will display in this command prompt as well. If you are not able to see that Python version, that means your environment variable is not set properly for this Python. So for that, if you are facing some issue, we can search for environment variable. Here you can see that environment variable. Click on that. Now here on the path, you will see that. See, so your Python is added in your environment variable. That's why you are able to run this command in normal command prompt as well. If you are getting some issue, that means you must check that whether this Python is added in your environment variable or okay. That's how we can validate that. Okay, make sure that if you are getting error, just verify that whether your environment setup is properly done or not. If you just type here Python, it will open that IDE here as well in the normal command prompt. So here also we can do the same operation here, like 10 9 plus 10, or maybe just print some values later. Hello world. So it will work same as all the places which we have just seen. So all these three commands prompts can be used to write your basic command for Python. So this is how you can install the Python on your Windows system. Thank you so much for watching my channel.